The Genesis X Gran Coupe concept car, which made its world premiere at the 2025 Seoul Auto Show, is an important step towards redefining the world of automotive luxury and performance for the brand. The Genesis X Gran Coupe is derived from the flagship model G90. With their bold and uniquely innovative designs, these two models further prove Genesis' position as a premium luxury brand. The Genesis X Gran Coupe concept car is one of the brand's most iconic concept cars. Its unique design architecture makes it the most stylish in the luxury car segment, perfectly displaying the dynamism and elegance that is unique to Genesis. The front-end design highlights the Genesis design aesthetic. The Genesis X Gran Coupe and X Gran Convertible concept cars both adopt the iconic parallel double-line design of the Genesis family at the front. The wing-shaped LED headlights and the wide closed grille with bold emblems come together to create a new wing-shaped front-end shape. The three-dimensional mesh structure of the grille is inspired by the double-line diamond pattern cut with diamonds. The wide lower air intake and the sculpted grille further emphasize the sporty character of the vehicle, while the thin bonnet creates a very dynamic body stance. The double-line headlights of the two concept cars extend to the front fenders, increasing the visual width of the vehicle. There is a more upright front fender and a lower roof design, which gives the cabin a bold and effective silhouette. The vehicle doors have been extended to make getting in and out more comfortable. The frameless windows can be completely lowered to create a smooth visual effect on the side of the vehicle. The body fenders have been widened to emphasize the powerful aura of the concept car, while the aerodynamic surround design at the bottom makes the body stance more balanced. The roof and window lines of the car have been integrated, creating a form similar to a sports car cockpit. The wheel hub has a 5-set double-spoke design, and the secondary spokes are layered, making it visually effective from every angle. The three-dimensional rims and widened track width of the two concept cars reinforce the sporty stance of the vehicle together. At the rear of the vehicle, the bumper has been subjected to a smooth surface treatment and is easily recognizable by being matched with the iconic double-line taillights. The shiny decorative parts that extend to the lower part of the rear of the vehicle are integrated into the flat and thin exhaust pipe. Below the license plate area, there is a horizontal decorative strip at the rear of the vehicle, while the spoiler that curves slightly upwards emphasizes the dynamic atmosphere of the concept car. The embedded Genesis logo and hidden rear-view camera reflect Genesis's high-tech design concept that pays attention to detail. The trunk has a contactless operation feature and can be opened with a simple movement without the need for physical keys. The interior design of the Genesis X Gran Coupe concept car was inspired by Mediterranean olive trees. The model name is embroidered on the welcome pedal, while the specially designed carpet is decorated with an olive leaf pattern, while the center channel area has a diamond quilting pattern inspired by traditional automotive craftsmanship. The olive tree veneer has micro-perforations to create an olive-themed ambient lighting effect. The smell of leather that hits your face when you get in the car creates a pleasant sensation. The leather in the interior is naturally tanned using drainage from Italian olive oil production, resulting in a chrome-free surface that is not only luxurious in texture but also environmentally friendly and sustainable. The fully quilted leather roof further enhances the luxurious atmosphere, while the upper console has a new functional design to offer a more advanced experience. The steering wheel, center console and air conditioning vents of the car are decorated with crystals inspired by the sandy clay that nourishes Mediterranean olive trees. Thanks to its purity and versatile properties, the crystal can reflect fascinating light and shadows in the sun. The steering wheel, which is the main control component of the car, has elegant aluminum knobs at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions, reflecting the texture of the small buttons and keys inside the car, enhancing visual and tactile coordination. The front seats have integrated seat belts and large screens, while the rear seats have independent air vents and instrument screens.